इस प्रोग्राम के प्रायोजक हैं आयुर सनस्क्रीन, झकास नील, घड़ी डिटर्जेंट केक, रैपिडेक्स कंप्यूटर कोर्स और रैपिडेक्स इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स।
Hello and welcome to Roaming Report, a program that brings news, views and analysis of what's happening and what's changing in Northeast and its adjoining areas. I'm your host Ronia Karam. The highlights of today's program are: Center NSC and IM Hall talks in Nagaland. Amid boycott, Autonomous Council polls held in Manipur after 20 years. Once a hotbed of militancy, Durrania in Tripura now heads towards progress. Let us begin the show with a glimpse of some of the happenings in the Northeast.
Suspected ultras of United Kuki Liberation Army Military Council, an outlawed outfit of Manipur, have abducted Namai Rakpam Navakumar, a farm overseer of the Sericulture Department. The abductors have demanded a ransom amount of ₹1 crore for his safe release. The incident took place on May 20 when Navakumar was returning home from his office.
Vajra Kiliana, also known as Dorji Purbacham, a masked dance by Buddhist monks, enthralled scores of tourists at the famous monastery of Rumtek in Sikkim. It is a traditional dance form performed by lamas or monks at Rumtek Dharmachakra Monastery on the occasion of their religious festival. The monks displayed their graceful artistry with their perfect footwork to the beats of the drums and tunes. This festival falls once in 2 years, usually in second week of May.
Unidentified miscreants opened fire and lobbed a hand grenade of Chinese make at an oil pump in Hyangthang area of Imphal West. In an incident reported on 23rd May, 25-year-old Sadokpam Dhruva, a staff at the pump, sustained bullet injuries on his leg.
On the auspicious occasion of 2554th birth anniversary of Lord Buddha, thousands of devotees gathered at the Venuban Monastery in Agartala to celebrate Buddha Purnima. They offered prayers and lit candles.
বিভিন্ন জাতি গোষ্ঠীর মানুষ, বিভিন্ন ধর্মের মানুষ সবাই এক প্রাণ হয়ে সবাই মিলিত হন উৎসবের মেজাজে এবং প্রার্থনা করেন।
T. Lean Khan Khub Zau, alias Khub Khan, the founder member of the rebel outfit Zau People's Army, laid down arms along with 12 other cadres in a formal ceremony at IGAR complex in Manipur. They surrendered 1 AK rifle, 3 pistols, 1 revolver, 2 wireless radios and some explosives. The group has been carrying out its activities in Chandel and Churachandpur districts. The central and state governments have welcomed their decision to surrender and integrate into the mainstream and has assured them full support in the future.
Normal life, peaceful way,
Well, it's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
आज भी सूरज कहर बरपा रहा है, जिससे बचने के लिए लोग सहारा लेते हैं टोकरी का, आंचल का, छतरी का या फिर टोपी का। अब आपके लिए है आयूर सनस्क्रीन लोशन, सूरज से बचने का आसान तरीका। आयूर सनस्क्रीन लोशन।
झकास, ऐसी चमक, ऐसी सफेदी हो जहां, समझिए झकास है वहां। न पीलापन न दाग, न कोई निशान, कैसे हो झकास है।
झकास चमक, झकास सफेदी, झकास नील से। झकास।
Meet Rahul, smart and intelligent.
But no job.
Mr. Sharma is honest and hardworking.
But no promotion.
Sheila is a good mother.
But of no help to children.
But now, don't worry. Presenting Rapidex Computer Course with free tutorial CD.
Rapidex Computer Course.
Available in English and Hindi.
Welcome back to Roving Report. Keen to resolve the vexed Naga issue, the centre initiated talks with the NSCN-IM in Nagaland for the first time. A day-long talk concluded on a positive note, with both sides resolving to find an honourable solution to the 6-decade-old Naga issue.
The Heritage Complex in Kohima was the venue of day-long peace talks between the centre and NSCN-IM. The central delegation, headed by interlocutor and former Nagaland Chief Secretary R.S. Pandey, assured the 12-member NSCN-IM team, led by Twingaleng Muiva, of New Delhi's intention to pursue peace talks and to work out an early negotiated settlement to the Naga political problem. The central team added that the solution would be acceptable to both sides.
Moving on positive lines, we have recognized the uniqueness of Naga situation and history. Government of India has already stated this. In line with this, with mutual respect for each other, both sides are committed to find an honorable settlement which will be on the basis of negotiations. It will be a negotiated settlement. Nothing is to be imposed on each other.
There must be solution, and that solution must be honorable, acceptable to both. It must be through negotiation. That has been his commitment, and I would rather say that Mr. Prime Minister is sincere enough, serious enough.
Muiva is camping at Viswima village in Nagaland, and his plan to visit his hometown Somdal in Manipur's Ukhrul district had created unrest in the region. The NSCN-IM's demand for Naga integration has been strongly opposed by non-Nagas in Manipur, and they boycotted his visit to Manipur.